Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to discuss another experiment, that is your detection of the Karanjia oil in edible oil. Here the Karanjia oil are act as a adulterant and the sample is what? Our sample is this one edible oil. So today the sample that we take is a mustard oil and the adulterant that we are going to discuss is a Karanjia oil. Now this Karanjia oil are used as a medical purpose, like for a healing, for a pain reliever, or you can see that for a painkiller, and also it is used for stopping the bleeding. But due to its bitter taste and sour flavor, it is not used for the cooking purpose. And if it is adulterated with the edible oil, then it degrade the quality of the edible oil, or you can say that reduce the quality and reduce the nutritional value of that oil. Okay, so before starting the experiment, we have to know that what is this adulterants are, or what is the adulteration. Simply, adulteration is a process in which a good addition of the chemical into a food in the form of the adulterant. The chemicals that are added into the food, or the substance that are added into the food, sometimes are what are in the form of the chemical, and sometimes they eliminate the good ingredients of that particular food product to the bad one, that cause a adverse health effect and degrade the quality of the food product, that is known as a adulteration, and that substance are known as a adulterant. Okay, sometimes the chemical compounds are added like your preservative, and sometimes we add it as a food ingredient, but it is not that, or it is not the part of that food product, and it degrade the quality of the food product. Okay, so this Karanjia oil, what they are bitter in taste, and they are they are pungent aroma. That's why it is not allowed to mix with the cooking oil or a edible oil. So for performing this experiment, we just required one chemical, that is your antimony trichloride solution. Antimony trichloride solution, 20% mass by volume. So what we have to do, we take a 20 gram of antimony trichloride crystals. Okay, we take antimony trichloride in the form of the crystal, and that it is dissolved into 100 ml of the chloroform. Then we get what? Antimony trichloride solution in chloroform. Now when we are handling this chloroform, so we have to take a extra care, like it is a carcinogenic in nature, so we have to avoid it to prolong exposure to that chloroform. Okay, we have to avoid it. Now for performing this experiment, we just required a few things, like this antimony solution that I already told you how we prepare. We take 20 gram of antimony solution and dissolve into 100 ml of the chloroform. Then we required a mustard oil as a sample. Then we required this test tube, test tube stand, test tube, test tube stand and test tube holders, and micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml, because 1000 microliter is equal to 1 ml. Then we required what? We required a micropipette tip. Now for performing this experiment, what we have to do, we take a 500 microliter, that is also known as a 500 0.5 ml sample. Then into it we have to add a 2 ml of that antimony trichloride solution in chloroform. So if yellow or orange color are present, then it indicates that the our sample are adulterant with the what? With the Karanjia oil. So here we take only 200 100 to 200 microliter sample. Now first of all, we have to take a sample. You can also take only 1 to 2 drops. Take a test tube, add sample. Now we have to add what? We have to add an antimony reagent. If we are going to add a 2 ml of this antimony reagent, antimony trichloride solution in chloroform. If Karanjia oil is present, then our solution turn yellow or orange. Now mix it properly. Now you can see that it's turned slight yellow. Our sample turn what? Our sample turn slight yellow, which means that our sample contain what? Karanjia oil, which that our sample are adulterant. So this is the detection of the adulterant in a like detection of the Karanjia oil in a edible oil, and we get what? We get a positive result. So I hope you will understand this experiment, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you are freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.